Welcome to Contactlenses-co-uk. In this video, we will be going over what lens is correct for you in regards to how often you wear your lenses. These schedules range from daily to annually, each with its unique benefits and considerations. Daily disposable lenses for daily wear. These are designed to be worn for a single day, and then discarded at the end of the day typically, before going to bed. The advantage is these lenses are the ultimate in convenience and considered by professionals to be the safest and most hygienic wearing schedule of all the contact lens types. The considerations of these lenses tend to cost a little more, but there are exceptions to this rule. Bi-weekly and monthly lenses. These lenses can be worn every day for 2 weeks or a month respectively, as long as they are cleaned and stored in a disinfecting solution nightly. Advantages are that these lenses take up less room for storage or traveling, and can be a little more robust. Considerations can include proper cleaning and storage are essential to prevent infections or complications. Extended wear lenses. These can be worn continuously day and night for a specified duration, normally up to 1 week, with only some being approved for 30 days. The advantages of these are ultimate in convenience. Put a lens in and forget about it until it is time to remove it. The consideration is that prolonged wear of contact lenses can increase the risk of eye infections. It's essential to follow the optometrist's guidelines, as these types of lenses are not an option for everyone. Things to consider is the lifestyle you lead, your eye health, also your budget. Understanding the different contact lens wearing schedules will help you make an informed choice that aligns with your exact needs. Regular checkups with an optometrist are essential to guarantee that your chosen lens schedule remains the right choice for your eye health and vision clarity. Thank you for watching this short video regarding contact lenses and your wearing schedules. We hope this has helped inform you moving forward on the decision you make regarding your next purchase. Thanks again from all of us, and see you again soon.